NLS Bard Mobile How-To Series. How to read a Braille book.
Hi, I'm Judy Dixon, Consumer Relations Officer at NLS. In this edition of the Bard Mobile How-To series, I am going to cover reading a Braille book. Reading a Braille book with Bard Mobile will require the use of a Bluetooth-connected Braille display. For details on pairing a Braille display with your device, refer to the How to Pair a Braille Display with Your Device video. From the Bookshelf tab in Bard Mobile, select Braille Books. From your list of Braille books, select the title you wish to read. You will automatically jump to the Now Reading tab, and the book will be displayed. To begin reading the book for the first time, navigate to the Reading window, then pan through the book line by line. There are many shortcut keys available to assist with navigating the book. Note that VoiceOver will attempt to read the Braille, so you may want to turn the speech off. A 3-finger double tap on the device, or dots 1, 3, 4 and spacebar, also referred to as an M chord on the Braille display, will turn off the speech. Repeating this action will turn it back on. Bard Mobile includes an auto scroll feature that allows you to read a book without having to continuously press keys. The Braille display will advance automatically at a rate that you control. A fixed amount of time is set for each line, and a smaller amount of time is added for each character. Auto scroll is off by default. To enable it, go to Settings, Braille and Display Settings, Braille Auto Scroll, and turn it on. Now, when reading a book, you can activate auto scroll with a /.34. Stop auto scroll by pressing a / again. Increase the auto scroll speed with a +.346 and decrease the speed with a -.36. For details on navigating a Braille book, refer to How to Navigate a Braille Book video.